Jylando, tonight was one of your many performances since 2018, and I must say that you were well received by the audience.
Yeah man, you know, so the people them love the energy. We just come out and full joy the thing and do the thing the right and proper way. You see me, Justin Blake, up the sun.
A lot of people does not recognize your great contribution towards the development of the music industry in Montego Bay. It is full time for you to get your just due, and the world should know.
You know, say slowly but surely it'll work, you see me? And right now the people them gravitate to it. We just have to go and put in the work and make the thing work, you see me? Big up to who see the talent and who support the talent, and who don't see it yet, who don't see it now, you see me? Justin Blake. And know say, yo, we never take a break.
In the realest way. And also, you are credited for works done with the likes of Rygin King, Rhyme Minister, Blade Merital, Amakan, Kentel, Ricky Teats, Squash. Have you done any work with Squash?
You know, say, I just the 6 bars alone when I do no work with it, but you know, say, how the thing go on the same way. Jylando voice everybody from Western Jamaica, even Kingston, well, if a big names. Jylando make rhythm with Conscience Depan, Beanie Man Depan, Laza Morgan Depan, D-Angel Depan, you see me, Keep Rich Depan, Massacre Depan, you see me. But guess what, when I really load up with thing, then for just check royalty statements and then publishing thing and then see we name. You see me? No loud thing, no hype thing, I just the works, you see me.
I must also emphasize that this new generation, you have been a pioneer in regards to taking full notes and understanding of the business side of the music, and you have been able to be successful in that department.
Yeah man, you know, so yo, we had the music and the album Child on the Sweetest Gift debuted at number 4 on the iTunes reggae chart. You know, say it's a great achievement for me. It's on the Billboard also. You know, say yo, I'm Mobile we come from, but we are do it. You see me, we are make it happen. You see me, big up everybody from Mobile, we make it happen.
Me I cut the long story short. They get a gal a ABC 1, 2, 3, and gal a get gal for me too. Gal a get gal for me too. Me I tell you, gal a get gal for me too. They get a gal a ABC 1, 2, 3, and gal a get gal for me too.
Simple man.
Gal a get gal for me too. Me I tell you, gal a get gal for me too.